In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to n8n. We'll start inside Slack. Make sure you're logged into the workspace you want to connect. First, open Slack in your browser and look for the workspace controls, usually at the top left. From there, click on the admin area. This is where you manage settings, apps, and integrations for your workspace. Next, go to the section called Apps and Workflows. This is Slack's hub for adding and managing apps, and it's also where we'll start creating the connection that n8n will use. Once you're there, look for an option labeled Build. Click Build to open the Slack API page where you can create custom apps. On the Slack API page, click Create New App. You'll be given a few options for how to start. Choose from scratch. This gives you full control over the configuration and is ideal for connecting tools like n8n. You'll now be asked to set up the basic details for your app. Type in an app name that clearly describes what it's for, such as something related to n8n or automation, so you can recognize it later. Then click on Select a Workspace and choose the workspace you want to connect to n8n. When you're ready, click Create App to generate your new Slack app. With the app created, you'll see its settings page. Here, find and click on Generate Token and Scopes. This is where you'll create the token that n8n will use to talk to Slack. Start by typing a token name, again something descriptive so it's easy to identify. After that, choose the appropriate scopes. Scopes define what your token is allowed to do, such as sending messages or reading channels. Only select the permissions you actually need. When you're done, click Generate to create the token and keep this token safe and private. Now switch over to n8n. In the n8n interface, open the credentials area by clicking on the plus icon. Choose to add a new credential and then select the personal credential option. In the search or type field, enter Slack to filter the available credential types and then click on Slack API. You'll see a field where you can paste your Slack token. Paste the token you just generated in Slack into this field, save the credential, and your Slack workspace is now connected to n8n and ready to use in your workflows.